Spring is officially upon us, and I've definitely been making the most of it. I've been going on tons of walks recently and taking note of all the flowers, putting together pretty seasonal outfits, and also creating cute spring illustrations for my business. I love embracing spring vibes, and I hope you guys have really been enjoying the vlogs. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday morning. It's just kind of a weird angle with me in the mirror, but I'm just gonna keep it. Anyway, today we're doing like a little hike and cafe date that I'm really excited for. There's this cafe, it's like almost an hour away from us, and I've seen it all over like Instagram reels and TikTok, like sandwiches and coffees and stuff like that, and it's on the river. And then nearby they have some hiking trails. That's what we're doing today. I'm excited to get some color on my body, but these are from Owner Active, and this is like an old Gymshark like sports bra crop top, and the back is really cute. You can see in the mirror. I love this. I'm gonna have some crazy tan lines, but it'll be worth it. But that's what we're doing today, just a little hike and cafe date.
It's time to make some sticker sheets for my little business. Recently, I invested in a nice printer and also a Caesar cutting machine to make stickers and sticker sheets for my snail mail club and thought I would show my process. If anyone is interested in an in-depth tutorial on how I use the Caesar and software and all that, please let me know because I'll definitely make one. But I just love watching behind the scenes of small businesses, so hopefully this is interesting to someone. But yeah, this has just been my little passion project for the past couple of months, and it's just another fun hobby that keeps me from doom scrolling and encourages me to create.